London, a comprehensive health report of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been submitted to the government of Punjab, his personal physician said Friday. In a post on Twitter, Dr. Adnan Khan shared copies of the letter addressed to Punjab Home Department and said the detailed conclusive medical letter was submitted earlier today. It was based on latest medical reports, specialists' opinions and future management plan. In response to Gov of the Punjab letter to former PM Nawaz Sharif, a detailed conclusive medical letter was submitted earlier today. The document provides comprehensive picture of his health status based on latest medical reports, specialists' opinions and future management plan. Former PM NawazSharif's latest medical summary amply substantiates the seriousness of his multiple, complex ailments which require short, medium and long-term treatment and aggressive continuous management. Political point scoring on the issue is extremely unfortunate. According to the physician, the report amply substantiates the seriousness of his multiple, complex ailments which require short, medium and long-term treatment and aggressive continuous management. Political point scoring on the issue is extremely unfortunate, he added. Dr. Khan's letter stated that reports submitted earlier were conclusive in respect of the diagnosis and treatment and that hematologists at the Guy's and St. Thomas's NHS Foundation Trust were managing his platelet count (ITP). Nawaz was also scheduled for hospitalization in due course of time, subject to clinical clearance from hematologist and nephrologist, and will undergo cardiac catheterization, coronary intervention to address complex multivessel coronary artery disease. It will be a challenging high-risk procedure, the letter read. A day prior, the Punjab Home Department had penned a letter to the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz (PMLN) Supremo, asking him to submit updated medical reports to provincial authorities in relation to his bail plea. On Wednesday, Dr. Khan had said the PMLN leader was set to be admitted to a hospital in the UK next week. Earlier this month, Punjab Health Minister Yasmin Rashid had said the relief granted to the former Premier for medical treatment abroad had expired and he should, therefore, submit an updated report.